Okay, so moving on, question type number 3, comparison. Now when you do comparison, alright, you're not comparing just the content, you're comparing the inferences of A and B. Okay, so give me an inference, evidence, explain of A and B. And take note, the clue is in the main inquiry question. The main inquiry question is the first question you see when you open the source-based case study or questions, right? So the two sources will either have differing views with regards to this main inquiry question, and in this case is difference, or they might have similar views with regards to the main inquiry question. In this case, similarity, right? So if this is so, the paragraph that is not based on the main inquiry question will be something related to something with regards to a trend or a situation, okay, that you notice inside both sources. Alright, so example, in the main inquiry question is, did the Germans support the Nazi policy against Jews? Now refer back to your practice paper, right? And they ask you, how are the sources different? And you notice that one actually agrees with your main inquiry question, that they supported the Nazi policy against Jews, and one does not agree. So there you have your difference. So when you write your answer, be very clear that you know what is your basis of comparison. Okay? So D and C are different. I always use this with regards to. So with regards to what topic? With regards to whether the Germans supported the policies against the Jews. And this is my clear topic. This is what I'm going to make a comparison on. So be very clear. What is your topic? This topic links to the inquiry question, right? So that gives you your first line. So then you do a basic inference of D and C by giving me an inference. But when you make the inference, make sure you have the matching topics that you wrote in your first line. So in this case, D tells me that the Germans were against. So my inference now is that the Germans were against the Nazi policies. Okay? And the Nazi policies is actually the topic, right? Green color means the topic. While source C tells me that the Germans were supportive. Again, topic is clear of the Nazi policy against the Jews. But in this case, your inference is different because it's not against but it's supportive. Okay? So that's how you do your next line. So again, take note that your criteria has to match, right? Means that your topic has to match. Your inference is different, but your topic is the same, and your topic has to match. Alright, then you just do a basic evidence explain of D and then evidence explain of C, and use all the techniques that are seen in the basic inference video. Alright, and remember to include the word however when you're going on to write about the next source. So for similarity, you will have a trend or situation, right? It is either they have the same things but they are different in terms of the reason, right? Both can support the Jewish policies, but they can be different on the reasons for supporting the Jewish policy. Or they can also be similar in a situation that is happening. In this case, both are similar in telling me that the Jewish population were persecuted under the Nazi regime, right? They suffered greatly, right? They suffered greatly. That is your similar point, right? How do I know this? Because C says SA man kicked blah 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 to the pavement all around. You don't need to explain, alright? Then you write similarly. D also shows me the same thing. Make sure your evidence is talking about the same thing, whether Jewish population were persecuted under Nazi regime. Alright? So make sure your topic is clear, Jewish persecution, right? So both sources agree. Then you explain together. This means that both sources agree. Then you explain, blah, 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 blah. Alright? So use the technique in the inference video again. Make a clear explanation into how both sources actually show this thing, the persecution. Alright, so this is your similarity. So let's go through some common errors. Number one, again, not answering the question. Source D tells me that Germans did not support the policy. Source C tells me that it was supported. The difference is clear, but I need the word difference because the question is asking you about difference. You have to include the question word inside. Make a comparison. These are two separate statements. There's no comparison here. So make a comparison. D and E are different with regards to whether then your topic, the Germans supported the Jewish policies. Okay? Next, basis of comparison does not match. D tells me they did not support the Jewish policies. Right? So your topic here is did not support the Jewish policies, but E tells me that they bought from Jewish stores. Do you see here that this sentence did not support the Jewish policies does not match with they bought from Jewish stores, right? So be very clear when you're writing your comparison statements that the topic must match, right? So in this case, it matches here in the correct example. D tells me they did not support, but E tells me that they supported. So it's very clear, right? They are talking about the same thing and that both sources have different inferences on the same topic. Alright. Then next, lifted basis of comparison or inference, you just say, example, you say talking about. Both sources are talking about the Jews. Okay, this is called, you are just making a description. So this is a low level comparison, you will get 1 mark. So do not say talking about this, because it's obvious that they are indeed both talking about the Jews, but what aspect are they talking about? So weak explanation, again, this one goes back to your inference. Make sure your evidence is clear, it links to your inference. Make sure your explanation is clear, it closes all the gaps and links back to your inference. Okay, so that is it for comparison.